When it comes to crafting culinary masterpieces, having the right cookware is non-negotiable. This Amazon Basics Nonstick 8-piece kitchen cookware set offers functionality, convenience, and affordability, all wrapped in a sleek black design. This cookware set is designed to make your cooking experience seamless, enjoyable, and efficient. Let's dive into a comprehensive review of why this set deserves a spot in your kitchen. Durable and practical design. The Amazon Basics 8-piece cookware set is crafted with practicality and longevity in mind. The non-stick coating ensures that your food slides off effortlessly, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter and making cleanup a breeze. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, this feature ensures mess-free cooking. The cookware set is designed with soft-touch handles that stay cool during use, allowing for comfortable and safe handling. This ergonomic design ensures that even during extended cooking sessions, you won't have to worry about discomfort or burns. What's included in the set? This cookware set comes with all the essentials you need to start your cooking journey or upgrade your current collection. 8-inch fry pan, 10-inch fry pan, 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 2-quart saucepan with lid, 3-quart casserole pan with lid. Each piece is thoughtfully crafted to handle a variety of cooking tasks, from quick breakfasts to elaborate dinners. Uniform heat distribution. The cookware's spiral bottom is designed for uniform heat distribution across all cooktops, excluding induction. This means no hot spots, so your food cooks evenly every time. Whether you're browning meat or boiling pasta, this feature ensures consistent results. Ease of use and maintenance. The non-stick coating not only makes cooking easier, but also simplifies cleanup. A quick wipe with a sponge or cloth is often enough to leave the pans spotless. However, it's important to note that this cookware set is designed for hand washing only, which helps preserve the non-stick coating for long-lasting performance. Perfect for all skill levels, this cookware set is ideal for beginners, simple, easy-to-use cookware that helps build confidence in the kitchen. Seasoned cooks, reliable tools for everyday cooking. Budget-conscious individuals, high-quality cookware at an affordable price. Non-stick convenience, effortless cooking and cleanup. Safety and comfort, cool touch handles for safe, easy handling. Versatility, perfect for a range of dishes, from quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners. Durability, designed to withstand regular use with proper care. Affordability, a high-performing set at a budget-friendly price. Who should buy this cookware set? This set is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable, and versatile cookware collection. If you're setting up a new kitchen, upgrading from worn-out pots and pans, or simply looking for a gift for a budding chef, the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Cookware Set is a great choice. Top features that make this set stand out. 1. Non-stick coating. Say goodbye to food sticking to your pots and pans. 2. Cool touch handles. Stay comfortable and safe while cooking. 3. Uniform heat distribution. Ensure evenly cooked meals every time. 4. Versatility. From frying to simmering, this set covers all bases. 5. Compact design. Ideal for kitchens of any size. Conclusion. A must-have cookware set for every kitchen. This Amazon Basics Non-Stick 8-piece kitchen cookware set delivers exceptional value, performance, and versatility, making it a standout choice for home cooks of all skill levels. With its durable non-stick coating, ergonomic design, and even heat distribution, it simplifies the cooking process while ensuring consistently delicious results. Whether you're a beginner building your kitchen essentials or an experienced chef seeking reliable, everyday cookware, this set offers everything you need without compromising quality or breaking the bank. From its practical features to its affordable price, this cookware set proves to be a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their culinary experience. Don't wait. Transform your kitchen today with this top-tier, budget-friendly option. Click the link in the description to explore the full product specifications and make it yours. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.